we've just arrived here at St Helenas in Otley for another weekend camp. This is a summer camp. So we've had a fantastic week, haven't we? All, you know, really good weather. Nice and sunny. Just try and get out of the wind. Nice and sunny. And then when the weekend camp comes along, you know, where's the sun gone? It's windy, cloudy. But it's supposed to be dry, so fingers crossed. Joy's Fiat Doblo Maxi, which is a long wheelbase, and it looks really nice. So let's take a look inside. You've got it really nice, Joy, really nice. You got your little pink kettle there as well.
It's all for the colour scheme.
Yeah, well, you personalised it all, haven't you?
Yeah.
So how long have you had it?
Yeah.
You've had it 12 months?
Yeah.
Right, now you're finding it?
I love it. Absolutely love it.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, really cosy, and I just love getting out and about in it.
Yeah, so you're managing to get out and about?
Yeah, as often as I can.
Yeah, yeah.
Bit of nice weather, me and the dog just jump in and get off.
Got quite a lot of room in it as well. Is that a long wheelbase?
It is a long wheelbase, yeah. But I've got like under the bed it's all storage as well, so I've got lots of
Yeah.
storage. I put the drawers in here. On both ends of the bed I've got the slats under and a hinged top so that I can lift that up.
Right, so you can get access to all what's
Yeah.
inside it.
Yeah, I just
lifting
have
it
to
up.
lift the cushions up first.
Yeah.
And then I finished building the cupboard.
So you've done all this yourself?
Yeah, I didn't line it. All the linings and the windows and the electrics were put in professionally. Because
Right.
I've never made anything or done anything like that before. But I built the bed and all the furnishings and the furniture and everything I've built myself.
Yeah.
Just know somebody that owns a timber yard that gave me just trade price for the wood.
So you've got your LED lights up in the top.
Yeah.
Uh,
And my fairy lights round them.
yeah. So what have you got, a leisure battery, is it? Or?
No, I've got no leisure battery. I'm going to get a jackery.
Right.
After talking to people here, I've decided I'm going to get solar panels and a jackery. A small one.
So you did, well that's what I've got, you know, the small one, the smallest one.
Yeah.
That's what you're using it for.
Yeah, I don't use it a lot. It's mainly for my phone charging and charging stuff, you know, tablet and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So
I know, as I've said before on a lot of the videos that I do, I don't know too much about electrics, so that's why I've got a jackery. And apart from that, when we go, we're using campsites with electric hookup.
yeah,
So, you know, I've no need. All I need to do is charge my phone up and my camera batteries and stuff like that.
yeah,
And the lighting. So, it depends what you need it for. It's always nice to have more power than what you're going to use.
I'd rather
just in
have more than
case.
I need than less.
But the 240 is fine. Oh yeah. And you've got your curtains there.
Oh yeah, that one's been
the bottom.
knocked by the dog on the left, but that's usually up to the side.
Yeah.
But the dog's pulled that.
Loving the colour theme. Loving it.
I picked the colour scheme before I figured out how to build the bed.
Yeah. Well, there's nothing wrong with that.
No, I knew what colours I wanted.
It's really good. And what's this thing you've got over your barn door?
Barn door awning. It's just it's for when it rains.
Is it especially for a Doblo or is it for any type of vehicle?
I think it fits quite a few. It's the ones with the barn doors that have got one shorter than the other, I think.
Right.
I did choose one that had said Doblo in there, but it did fit others as well.
Yeah.
Other ones too. So
it just goes over the two barn doors and
literally just hooks onto the door. You just clip it inside to the lip of the door frame at the top.
Yeah.
With little peg things, little clip-ons. You clip it to that, and then you just hook the straps over the doors.
Right. And you've got your roof box on top.
I've got it open at the moment, because I was getting stuff out.
Yeah. Well, it's handy to have a roof box, isn't it?
It gives a bit more space.
Yeah.
That's for stuff like firewood and the fire pit and all the fun stuff.
Yeah. And I can see on the side you're a photographer as well.
I do, yeah. I do landscape photography, but I also do composite artwork to do like portraits from pictures that you already have.
Yeah. Yeah, it's must be very interesting doing all that sort of work. And these are your photos, are they?
These are all things that these are photos that I took, and that one's a composite that it was just, the girl in the picture was actually in my kitchen when I took the photograph, and I've just put her in a castle because she had a princess dress on.
Yeah. Fantastic. So is that your hobby or?
It started off as a hobby and it's turned into like a sideline. I just enjoy photography and I enjoy doing composite artwork, and I was doing it for friends and for the dogs, and you know I was doing a lot of it. People were asking me to do it, so I've set up a website.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Bit pocket money.
Yeah. Well, thanks a lot, Joy, for showing us around your Doblo Maxi.
You're welcome.
And you know, I hope you get sorted out with your jackery and everything else that you need.
Oh, I will. That's the first thing I'm doing when I get home.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the next step.
All right.
Okay,
Thanks a lot, Joy.
thanks.
Yes, you're the star, aren't you? Eh? Yes, you are.
van, they've got all the storage. It's all a perk really, but you can never have it charging your phones, charging the camera. I've got a smaller one there, it's a power up which is 500. What power up now is electric.
Alright.
About 80 power up. I use that back.